ChatGPT. This word has been floated over the internet and you might have listened or might have used also. But do you know that OpenAI has launched next generation AI, which is GPT-4, and it completely shocked the world. So in this video, I will talk about the perfect uses of GPT-4, which will completely ease your life, whether you are a student or a content creator. And guys, trust me, if you will watch this video till end, you will be compared with a superhuman. So are you excited? I am too excited. So let's begin the video. So GPT-4 has been launched with the same mantra that earlier was, but there is something unique in this. So we come to our first point, that GPT-4 is not limited to only text. It also can read the images or your handwritten notes also. Basically, it can turn your sketches or any type of content into the perfect notes or into a perfect website. This is the handwritten notes of the website creation. And do you know that ChatGPT-4 read that handwriting that you can't also read this, and it created the fully functional website as you can see in the screen. And this is true, it can read the handwriting and create the perfect website. There's one more example, and there's a person who have created a game using a ChatGPT. So it's not limited to the website also, it is also useful for the game creation. As you can see on the screen that this person has created a ping pong game using ChatGPT by providing the perfect algorithm, and it's fully functional game. And this GPT-4 completely shut the mouth of the trollers and enhanced the power of AI. Now it's time for the second use cases. This ChatGPT-4 could be the very important tool for the students. Basically, ChatGPT-4 could summarize any form of content or any chapter into a bullet point so that a student could read and understand it clearly. And not only to summarizing the notes, it could help you in the preparation of the examination and help you in the assignment creation, which is headache for the most of the students. And one more thing about this, that it could not only help you in examination, it could pass the examination. It has cleared the examination like cat and bug, and not only pass, it scored about 90% in those examinations as you can see on the screen. So this ChatGPT would be blessing for the student. Now it's time for our third use cases, which is GPT-4 is capable of answering complex questions. As we have seen, the ChatGPT is also capable, but GPT-4 is more advanced. It could provide you the full event management plan. If you want to celebrate your birthday or you want to go for a dinner date, it can plan end to end. It can tell you the best place to visit according to your budget and what food to order. Isn't it just amazing? I am going to use it, and you must try also after seeing this video. Now we reach to our four cases which would help in calculating your taxes. Basically, we live in India and here we have to pay taxes. So a person should be knowledgeable to calculate their taxes. But this AI version could ease your work in fraction of seconds. Yeah, it will calculate the tax. Basically, if you're working in a company or if you want to join a company, it could calculate the full CTC and in hand and how much tax you have to pay to the government. Everything it could calculate. Or you have a business, it could calculate according to your inputs, what you will give, what are your expenses and where do you spend. It will calculate, and according to the government regime, it will give you the proper tax suggestion how you have to analyze your budget. Now it's time for our last use cases, which is GPT-4 is capable of answering and analyzing the memes and picture. Yeah, as you can see on the screen that GPT-4 is completely capable of analyzing the meme, and it gives you the complete extract and what this meme depicts, and will give you the perfect reason and perfect explanation of this meme. And one more important thing about this feature of ChatGPT, it can recreate the meme if you want also. So this is the funny part of this ChatGPT, that it could analyze any picture and give you the documentation. So this is our top 5 use cases that we have analyzed in this GPT-4, and you must have also liked that. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and share my video.